All right, y'all. Today we're going to be learning about Newton's second law of motion. So remember, if you're ever struggling with Newton's second law, just remember, your ma is going to be a force to be reckoned with. What are we doing today? Our essential question is, why do objects move? Our lesson objective is we will analyze Newton's second law of motion, and our homework is to finish our packet. Note number 1, Newton's first law of motion states that force is equal to mass times acceleration. So if I apply the same force, I know that a smaller mass is going to move faster. If I apply the same force to a plastic bag, it's going to move faster. And I know that if I apply that same force to a larger mass, like a car, my car is going to move slower. Note 2. If I increase my force on an object, I increase the acceleration. So if I have the same green object, I know that if I put a larger force, I'm going to have a faster acceleration. If I put a slower force, I'm going to have a slower acceleration. Note 3. To calculate the force, I take the mass and multiply it by the acceleration. So if an object weighs 5 pounds, and accelerates to 10 miles per hour, what is the force? So I know that force is going to equal mass times acceleration. So I take my mass of 5 pounds, I multiply it by my acceleration of 10 miles per hour, and my force is going to be 5 times 10, which is 50 newtons. Now going over these on Nearpod when you're finished.